How to create mind-blowing 3D AI Lunar New Year videos in 30 seconds. The hook, the greeting card lie. Look at this. The same old, static greeting cards we've been sending for decades. It's traditional, right? It's also kind of boring. For years, we've been stuck with copy-paste wishes and dusty photos. But 2026 is different. Today, I'm stripping away the old ways to reveal a secret that will turn you into a tech wizard this TET season. We're going to bring your oldest memories back to life. I'm talking about turning a flat 100-year-old photo into a 3D cinematic masterpiece in exactly 30 seconds. You're about to see the mind-blowing AI New Year for the very first time. Myth busting. You don't need to be a pro. First myth. You need to be a Hollywood pro to make 3D videos. Wrong. People think 3D animation takes weeks of rendering and expensive hardware. That's the gatekeeper lie. In reality, AI has reached a god-tier level. You don't need to know a single line of code or how to use a 3D brush. With just a few clicks, the AI reads your 2D photo, calculates depth, and reconstructs a 3D world that never existed. It's not just an effect, it's digital alchemy. 3. The inside scoop. How the magic works. Here's the inside scoop. How does it do it? The AI doesn't just move the picture. It uses depth mapping. It identifies the person, the background, and the shadows. Then it fills in the blanks, the parts of the scene the camera didn't even capture. It adds what we call generative infilling. Want your ancestors to smile at you from a 50-year-old photo? The AI understands human emotion and can simulate a 100% realistic expression. It's messy, it's gritty, and it's hauntingly beautiful. The toolkit, the secret AI weapons. I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. These are the tools the pros don't want you to know about. Runway Gen 2, the king of cinematic motion. Use the motion brush to make specific parts of your photo move. Luma Dream Machine. This is the current goldmine for high-fidelity 3D video from a single image. Hey Jen, if you want an AI avatar to actually speak your New Year wishes in any language. The 30-second tutorial. Let's go. 30 seconds on the clock. Step 1. Upload your photo to Luma AI. Step 2. Type a prompt. Cinematic fireworks, 3D camera pan, happy atmosphere. Step 3. Hit generate. Visuals. Progress bar zooms to 100%. Step 4. Terra. Your flat photo is now a living memory. Conclusion. Why accuracy matters. Why does this matter? Because when we keep memories in static snow globes, we lose the connection. The real power of AI isn't the tech, it's the emotion. Seeing a late grandfather smile again or a childhood home come to life. That's the true magic of 2026. This isn't a fairy tale anymore. It's real life enhanced. Now, I want to hear from you. Which old photo are you going to bring to life first? Does AI making photos move feel amazing or a little uncanny to you? Let's argue politely in the comments. Hit like if you're ready for the future. Subscribe because next week we're investigating how AI is being used to recreate lost historical cities.